Right here I have the perfect shorts that you're looking for. Wow, these things are so awesome, guys. These are the NORTHYARD athletic shorts coming in at 7 inches in length. I absolutely love these. Now I ended up getting the navy blue with the orange, as you can see on my close-up shots here. There's so much detail when it comes to this. I love how you can see the orange in the back. It just looks absolutely amazing and provides a ton of contrast. I'm 5'11", 150 pounds, and I ended up getting the size medium. I have a size 34 waist, and these fit perfectly. The first thing I noticed whenever I put these on was the amount of mobility that I have in these. Now I love to work out and stay active, and these shorts definitely provide all the mobility that I need. These shorts are going to be made with a 90% polyester and a 10% elastane, which gives it a 4-way stretch. They're lightweight, they're breathable, they wick away moisture and keep you comfortable all day. Now the 7-inch comes right above my knees, and I think it has such a good look. I want to point out the reflective materials. If you like to run on trails or the side of the road, the reflective material is really going to help you stand out. Even the logo up top does have reflective material, followed by a little bit in the back. And by the way, while we're looking at the back, this has a really nice deep pocket in the back, and all of the pockets are actually going to be filled with a nice mesh material. So if you put any cash in there or any of your belongings, your stuff isn't going to get sweaty, keeping you more comfortable and your belongings safe. These also have really deep zipper pockets that do have a nice little handle to grab, very easy. Again, we have the mesh in here, and I have my iPhone 17 Pro Max, and it fits in there no problem. You can see that my phone comes all the way down to here, and plenty of room there. And the zipper pocket is going to prevent that from falling out. So when you're doing sport activities, it's going to keep your belongings safe. These NORTHYARD shorts are going to be true to size. They have a very nice elastic waistband that is really comfortable, and you even get drawstrings on the inside to help really lock these down and keep them tight if you choose to do so. And those are going to be located on the inside, so they're not going to be in the way on the outside whatsoever. On the inside, everything's going to be lined with flat lock seams, keeping you comfortable all day. These shorts are also going to have a UPF 50+ rating on here, so it's going to keep your skin protected during those hot summer days. The mobility that comes with these shorts makes them perfect for working out, basketball, going to the gym, tennis, pickleball, basically any sport that you want to do. These are perfect for just lounging around in the house and just hanging out, everyday wear. There are a ton of colors to choose from, so make sure that you check them all out. If you guys like to pick up a pair for yourself, I'm going to leave a link down in the description, so make sure you check that out. If you like this kind of content, make sure you hit the like button. Also, subscribe for some more content.